Hello there, this is Sam Limo, your Texas Realtor. Today, I want to talk about why our Keller Williams Denton is the right team for you to list your house in today's market. The main reason is we're going to do our best to give you our best market analysis of your house. And I'm going to show you the types of the main areas of market analysis that we will do for us to price your house market. So I'm going to share a screen just to give you the three main types of our market study. So my theme of 24 hour base is come get your keys. And that's the goal is to sell your house to the buyer or to get you keys to your new home. I'm going to be talking about comparative market analysis. And there are three parts to it. There's the active listings, which is your main competitors. We have the expired listings and the sold houses. So those are the three areas of our market study. Part one of it, which is the active listings. This is the dreamland. This is what everybody dreams to get for the house. Or these are the direct competitors in market that you'll be competing with when you list your house. The expired listings, these are the failed promises. These are the houses that were priced not to fit what the buyers in the market think about the house is worth. So that is the never wanna be land. The third portion, or the part that we all wanna be in, is the reality, which is where the dreams come through. These are the sold houses. So we're gonna study in the 90 days or the 60 months, the houses have sold, how long they were in the market. And remember, the purpose of the CMA is to determine the value of your home as the buyers look at it. And also as the appraiser will appraise it for the bank. Because there will be three yeses when buying the house. There will be the yes from the buyer, there will be a yes from the seller, and there will be a yes from the bank. So all those three, we have to get those three yeses for everybody to be happy and for this deal to go down. So I got good news. In the month of February, we're offering 28 free CMAs from our team. All you got to do is email me the address of your house, and when we get it, we will give you a free CMA, which is the market analysis of your house. We will also provide the net sheets, so you can give us how much you owe on your house, and we will also show you the closing cost and all the other expenses that it can take for you to sell your house. So we're providing 28 free CMAs. All you got to do is email me the address of your home, and we will get down to business and give you the real market analysis of your house. So don't operate in fear or unknown. Let us give you the facts, which is get you the right or what we think your house will sell in this market. So I'm here to take care of you, and my team at Keller Williams in Denton is ready to provide those CMS for you. I look forward to assisting you. Thanks for all the support. Thank you.